Hello, we are Team Control Alt Delete, and this is our solution for problem statement, the mapping of implementing and executing agencies across PM-AJAY components. Drishti. Drishti is a proactive unified command center for PM-AJAY scheme. Government projects often face delays not because of lack of funds, but because of disconnected data, a lack of real-time oversight, and poor communication. Our solution Drishti is designed to solve these core challenges through a single powerful platform. Drishti is a centralized secure platform architecture as a single source of truth for all PM-AJAY stakeholders. As our architectural diagram shows, the entire system is built around a core engine with role-based access control at its heart. This ensures the national admin and state users are served filtered data, enabling them to access key modules like geospatial dashboard, the analytics dashboard, and project management hub securely and according to their jurisdiction. The architecture allows us to directly address every challenge in the problem statement. We solve mapping problem with relational database. We provide real-time oversight with a multi-layer geospatial dashboard. We ensure financial transparency with an auditable transaction history. We enforce accountability with our robust role-based access control system, and we streamline communication with an integrated activity log. However, the core innovation of Drishti is its proactive nature. While conventional dashboards only show the project is delayed after it has already happened, our integrated machine learning model analyzes project data to predict the risk of future delays. This provides a crucial early warning system, allowing officials to intervene before the problem occurs. This is a smart automation feature. Our technical approach was deliberately chosen for security, scalability, and performance. For front-end, we choose Next.js with TypeScript for high-performance type-safe user interface. The backend is powered by Fast API, a high-speed Python framework, and for database, we use PostgreSQL for its asset compile and data integrity, which is non-negotiable for handling financial transactions. Security is managed through industry standard JWT and PassLib, and our smart automation is powered by scikit-learn. The diagram illustrates a methodology. The entire system is built on a secure role-based data flow. First, a user authenticates and our backend generates a secure JWT containing the specific role. For every subsequent request, the token is validated by our RBAC security gate. The system then dynamically constructs a database query based on the user's role. The national admin's query fetches all data, while a state user's query is automatically appended with a where state is equals to clause. This ensures filtering happens securely and efficiently at a database level. The robust role-based architecture is the foundation of our entire solution. We designed Drishti not just as a prototype but as a viable production ready solution. Our technical approach uses a full open source stack, makes it economically sound with zero licensing cost. The intuitive role based UI ensures it is operationally viable with minimal training curve for government officials. We have also planned for real world challenges. For migration, historical data we built bulk import tools for CSV files. For ensuring user adoption, we propose a phased state-by-state rollout, starting with the pilot program to gather user feedback. And for scalability, the application is designed with a cloud-native architecture ready for containerization with Docker and deployment on auto-scaling cloud platforms. Our phased rollout strategy ensures a smooth, low-risk path from pilot program to national-wide expansion. The impact of Drishti is direct and multifaceted. It empowers national officials with unprecedented pan-India oversight for data-driven policy, and it empowers state officials by allowing them to focus their resources on projects that are automatically flagged as overdue or high risk. This leads to three pillars of national benefits. An economic benefit by reducing multi-crore cost overruns through a proactive delay mitigation. A governance benefit by enhancing transparency and public trust throughout auditable logs, and most importantly, a social benefit for faster project completion means essential infrastructure reaches marginalized communities sooner, directly accelerating the core mission of PM-AJAY schemes. Our solution is based on real research, not just on assumptions. Our work is grounded in the official guidelines for PM-AJAY scheme and the data auditing framework for the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Our architecture principles are aligned with global best practices for digital governance from the World Bank, and our innovative prediction feature is an application of proven industry standard practice in predictive project management. Now let us look into the demonstration of prototype. Proactive Unified Command Center for PM-AJAY to demonstrate its power and accountability will start from perspective of a state-level official from Maharashtra. Upon logging in, the official is greeted with national overview. Notice how the map and KPI cards are automatically and securely filtered for Maharashtra. This is our role-based access control in action, solving the problem of unclear accountability. Next, the project deep dive page. It is the core of our operational toolkit. On the left side, officials can see complete list of projects within their jurisdiction. Integrated search and filter bar solve the coordination bottleneck by allowing them to instantly find any project. At the top, we can see the project name, its current in-progress status, and an automated overdue alert. Drishti has calculated that this project is past its expected end date, providing an immediate visual cue for project needing urgent attention. Next, to solve the financial overview, it shows the total budget, the amount disbursed, and a progress bar for at a glance oversight. This overview is backed by a complete auditable transaction history, logging every financial event for this project. Officials can update the project progress directly from here, ensuring that the data is always correct. Now, for our core innovation, both state and national users can leverage our smart automation feature. By clicking on the button, the system uses a trained machine learning model to provide a proactive risk assessment. The early warning system transforms the dashboard from reactive monitoring tool into an intelligent governance asset. Now, to solve inconsistent communication, we have integrated a collaborative active log. Every entry is timestamped and user stamped, creating a permanent communication record. All core details are clearly listed: the official start date, the expected end date, the PM-AJAY component, and specific implementing and executing agencies responsible for this project. Next, we have the delete project option, which upon clicking this deleted projects from the database. Now let us switch roles to the national administrator. The difference is immediate. The dashboard shows a complete unfiltered pan India view, providing a high level oversight that was previously missing. Analytics page. For strategic decision making, the national admin has access to the analytic dashboard. Here, they get a high level risk view for entire scheme's health with the interactive charts showing project status distribution and a comparison of budget versus distributed funds across all states. Now, for the user and agency management, crucially, the national admin has exclusive privileges to manage the system itself. For its secure panel, they can view all registered users and add agencies to the platform. Let's add a new executing agency in Uttar Pradesh. Select implementing or executing. Let's select Uttar Pradesh. Upon clicking the add an agency, we can see that Lucknow is added in the agencies list. Now let us create any project. The admin can now immediately assign a new project to the added agency, demonstrating a complete end-to-end administrative workflow. Here we are creating a project titled Integrated Village Development of Rampur, which is a component of Adarsh Gram, which has allocated a budget of 1 crore 25 lakhs by UP Social Justice Department as an implementing agency and Varanasi Urban Development as executing agency. When we click on create project, the project automatically gets created and we can see the list of projects now has integrated village development of Rampur added as the last project. By integrating these features from granular tracking and role-based security to proactive prediction and administrative control, Drishti provides a complete and feasible solution that enhances transparency, improves accountability, and empowers officials to deliver projects on time. Thank you for viewing the demonstration.